Afternoon, Argentinian government has announced to purchase one squadron of JF-17 Block 3 fighter jets from Pakistan. Amount $664 million have been allocated in the budget of Argentina for next financial year. It's very good news for Pakistan and very good news for Pakistani nation.